I decided to make a catio this week so that our two cats could go outside as they wished and not kill everything in sight. I used 8-foot pressure treated 2x4s for the front and back of the base and cut out the sides and vertical pieces on the miter saw. I assembled the frame using wood screws, pocket holes, and a clamp, checking for square as I went. The back right vertical pieces were offset 4 inches from the back of the base to avoid a tube on the side of the house. I measured all the top pieces from the bottom to make sure everything was square from the base up before cutting them out on the miter saw. Using a straight edge, I made sure the angles would be flush with the top before marking and cutting them. I used the cutoffs of the angles to fill the gap at the lower ends. I attached all the wire mesh to the frame using staples and a hammer. Off camera, I added a cat door to the window and some shelves for the cats to jump down on. Thanks for watching this video. I'll be uploading a new video with an epoxy river next Monday. Stay tuned.